Hey, what's going on, everybody? Josh Quinones here, and what you are looking at here is the future. Yes, the future of mobile devices as we get closer and closer to achieving that truly bezel-less display. So, Leakster Ice Universe tweeted this out earlier today, giving us our very first look at Apple's Full Display 2.0. Now, this is a prototype phone with curved surfaces on both sides, curved at 88 degrees, pretty much wrapping around to the back of the phone. And I gotta say, this is actually pretty cool. This is a really cool concept here. Now, there is a question as to why we actually need this, and honestly, we probably don't. First of all, it is going to be a tough mission to even try and make protective cases that will work to protect this device. And not only that, just holding it and using it will be tough as well, because I'm sure a lot of accidental touches will come with this. But besides that, the whole concept itself is cool. Now, there is no hole, no notch. It is complete screen. Now, we can notice very little, and I mean very little bezel on the top and the bottom, but not that much. Ice Universe also leaked something else similar to this, that is a screen glass for the Vivo Nex 3 with an almost 90-degree curve on both front and back of the phone, making it very symmetrical and pretty much perfect. Now, with the move of everyone trying to go truly bezel-less now on these devices, these designs are getting crazy, and my thoughts are that since we are getting all these new devices to be pretty much all screen, where do we go from here now? We do know that companies are trying the whole foldable displays now, and it's said that Samsung's Galaxy Fold is finally ready and will be available in September. So once we reach a truly bezel-less display, do you think that companies will try and bring out more foldable devices with new and improved designs? Let me know what you guys think about that. But this right here, this all-screen working prototype device that can possibly be a thing in the near future, this is truly amazing, and it shows us just how far technology has come. But you all let me know your thoughts down in the comments sections below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge like on this video, then subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the